Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to fix the issue on the Samsung Galaxy S22 where basically your camera is not focusing. So this is the S22 Ultra and this applies to any device in this series including the S22, S22 Plus, the Ultra as well, and any other variants. Also, this will work on older devices as well, but I'll be making special note or special mention to tips that may only work on the S22. All right, so please note that as well the tips can work on older devices such as the S20, S21. All right, this is also an updated video to my previous video with updated tips. All right, so if your camera is blurry or fuzzy, and of course it's not focusing, you're going to try the following. The first tip is specifically for the S22 devices. Now of course go ahead and launch your camera, and what I suggest guys, in case the camera is not focusing and you're getting those blurry pictures, go ahead and move your camera very close to a subject. Now of course once you move close to any subject at all, it doesn't really matter what subject it is, you're going to go ahead and if you see a white circle in the lower left, it would mean that focus enhancer is off. That feature helps with focusing, so go ahead and tap that white circle there. You might have inadvertently turned it off without even realizing, so go ahead and turn it on. Once it's on, you'll see two circles in yellow, and if you just realize on screen, the image got much sharper. So make sure focus on enhancer is on, and that's the first tip to dealing with the issue of your camera not focusing. Another thing to do guys is to go ahead and launch your camera. So if you're not in the camera, go ahead and launch. Once you're in the camera, go ahead and click the gear icon upper left. Once you do guys, you should be in your settings. You're going to go down and you're going to search for a setting that says tracking autofocus. So make sure tracking autofocus is on. It will help with your pictures. Once you select a subject, it will keep track of the subject even if the camera moves. As you can see, this can significantly improve the picture quality and reduce fuzz and basically eliminate the problem where your pictures are not focusing. All right. Another thing guys, if with these cameras, for example the S22, especially the Ultra, you have so many lenses. Sometimes your lens just needs to be cleaned, so go ahead and get a piece of microfiber cloth. The ones that clean your glasses will work as well, or you can find them in various things for cleaning screens and so on. Once you get your microfiber cloth or any lint-free cloth that will not scratch your lens, go ahead and clean all of your lenses to make sure there is no fuzz on it, so the lens can see very clearly in terms of focusing on the subject, so the software can do its thing. All right, so once you clean the lens, sometimes that is all that the device needs in order to start working again. Another thing to try guys, and I want to be thorough, so we're going through all of the major things that tend to work. You can go to camera again. Once you are in the camera, go to the gear icon, and once you do go down, you're going to come to this setting at the end of the settings menu that says reset settings. Do note that reset settings will not delete anything. It's just simply resetting the settings of the camera. Sometimes these get corrupted and after a time it messes with the camera. By resetting the camera, what will happen is that your device will return to its functional state. Once the camera returns to its functional state, you'll find that it will start focusing as it should. Also, if you modified any settings that's messing with the camera, by doing this, it should also fix it. Another thing to do, guys, is to go to settings. Once you're in settings, go down. You're going to go to, apps. So go to apps. Once you're in apps, guys, it's alphabetical. So go ahead and search for your camera. Once you find the camera, go to camera. Next, go to storage on the camera. And of course, you're going to clear the cache. First, clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, go ahead and reboot your phone. And of course, check to see if the camera is fixed. If not, take it to the next step. Go back to the settings and this time clear data. Do note clearing data here should not affect your pictures. Of course, go ahead and hit clear data and then confirm. Then you're going to reboot your device. I'm just showing you what to do as to how to clear that. Reboot the device. Once it starts up again, your camera should start working. All right, on some devices, do use this one with caution. If you're not sure, do not try this one. I'll not be responsible for damaging your phone. Some people have indicated that at times, if they try this, it does work, so it might work out for you. So go ahead and hold your phone. Once you hold your phone, guys, go ahead and launch the camera. As soon as the camera is about to open, go ahead and shake your phone. Shake it to the side, shake it up and down, give it a good shake. You might have to try this more than once. So simply launch the camera, close it out, try it again, launch the camera, and while it's opening, shake your phone up and down, back and forth. So by doing that and giving it a good shake while the camera is opening, it might get the camera itself to start focusing as it should. Another thing, guys, you can tap around the camera area itself. Use your thumb or two fingers and hit the area around the camera. Be careful. Do not want to damage your device, so just tap the area around the camera. Sometimes by doing that, it might just nudge the mechanism in the camera itself to self-correct. All right, guys, I think I've covered all the major things that you can do. I was trying to be as thorough as possible. And of course, I know you want to go ahead and enjoy the great cameras on the S22 devices, also on older devices as well. So of course, try these. These should work for future devices as well. So as always, use the comments below if you have anything to share or tips. Go ahead and share and any feedback. All right. So thank you for tuning in. As always, Ricardo saying bye until the next time we meet in another video. Bye, guys.